You will be okay in my house. Huh? Yes. Ah!
And Your Majesty, my prince, come on, what do you want to do? Someone might be coming.
Nobody's coming in here. No one is coming.
Even if no one is coming, my king, we need to keep it down. I just arrived. Come on, we need to take their eyes off our relationship. Don't worry, you know you're a good boy. And as always, I know how to take good care of you. Give you the warmth massage, give you the warmth massage you've always deserved, my dear king. You know, right? So just come on, let's go. Oh.
Lock this door. Wait. Where are you going? Do you want to put me into trouble?
No, let me send it out. Probably somewhere else.
We should think of what to do first.
Okay.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.